What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best drones for real estate photography. An iconic aerial shot in a big budget video is enough to grasp the attention of its audience. These scenes leave the viewers awestruck by showcasing the most attractive parts of that setup with grandeur. Selecting the right one is not easy. In this video, we will be discussing the top 5 drones for real estate photography. Number 1. DJI Mavic Air 2 drones for real estate photography.
Are you all my personal dreams?
The Chinese company named DJI or Dejiang Innovation prides itself in being among the leading producers of camera drones in the world. One 1/2-inch CMOS sensor enables it to capture 48 MP photos. Supports video transmission distance of up to 6.2 miles. The latest item from this collection is the Mavic Air 2, a major upgrade to its predecessor Mavic Air. For 4K/60 FPS HDR videos possible by quad-Bayer image sensor. Impressive flight time for up to 34 minutes with obstacle sensing. Number 2. Holy Stone HS720 drones for real estate photography. One of these drones is the HS720 model that offers commendable performance and convenience along with affordability. "90° adjustable lens can follow you automatically. 4K UHD camera with 5 GHz FPV transmission. A common issue with drones is their camera not being able to withstand the wind speed and producing shaky clips or images. Flight time of up to 26 minutes with auto return home. Lithium polymer batteries and carrying bag included. Number 3. DJI Mavic Mini drones for real estate photography. If you have been looking for a quadcopter that is much more portable than the usual frames, DJI Mavic Mini is as ideal as it gets. Camera allows 2.7K HD videos and 12 MP photos. Capable of HD video transmission of up to 4 kilometers. While most other drones built to help in this area of photography weigh around 16 ounces to 20 ounces, this one weighs only 8.8 ounces. 3-axis gimbal to stabilize shot at different angles. Offers a maximum flight time of 30 minutes.
Everything you know is in your mind.
Number 4. Ruko F11 Pro drones for real estate photography.
Everything you know is in your mind.
For those of you who are not satisfied with flying the drone for 30 minutes, there is the F11 Pro made by Ruko. Broad view with 120 degrees FOV lens and 90 degrees adjustable angle. Camera offers 4K UHD photos and 2.9K video. Protect all the important gears of this set by storing them carefully in the carrying case provided with it. "30 minutes of flight time can be extended to 60 minutes. Live image and video transmission of up to 500 meters. Number 5. DJI Mavic 2 Pro drones for real estate photography. The biggest highlight of this model is the iconic image quality it has as a result of the renowned Swedish Hasselblad L1D20C camera used here. HNCS technology generates stunning color details in 20MP aerial shots. Can be plugged into a 4K TV with its 10-bit HDR support. You can also enjoy more flexibility in the grading room with its 10-bit log-M color profile. For a more elaborate viewing experience. 1-inch CMOS sensor is 4 times more effective than the original model. Swedish Hasselblad L1D20C camera ensures an iconic image quality.